For the past 50 plus years, Structural Concepts has been building merchandisers with the shortest industry lead times that last longer, save energy, and minimize operating costs, making it easier to better display and sell more fresh food today and tomorrow. To ensure optimal performance of your displays and to prevent service issues when it comes to cooling of joined merchandisers without panels in between, the Sync Defrost harness must be connected during the time of installation, at the time of adjoining, and setting the merchandisers. This process includes creating a daisy chain that must route to the primary case nearest to the electrical box. Merchandisers that are adjoined without end panels in between must have refrigeration cycles aligned to prevent the mixing of warm and cooled air when one merchandiser is cooling and the adjacent is in defrost cycle. As you can see from the demonstration here, the procedure to access the synchronous wiring and make all the proper connections is an easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. SCC's Sync Defrost feature ensures adjoined merchandisers are functioning together. For more information, please refer to your case's wiring diagram for instructions. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.